In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Shopify store, what to do when on vacation. If you're stepping away for a few days and want to temporarily hide your storefront without making any permanent changes, the quickest and safest approach is to turn on Shopify's password protection. This keeps your shop private while you're away, but you still have full access to your admin to manage orders or update products as needed. Start by going to Shopify.com and signing in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Online Store. That opens the settings for your storefront and theme. From there, head into Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps important visibility and SEO options for your online store. Scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. Toggle Password Protection on to restrict access to your storefront. When this is enabled, visitors will see a password page instead of your usual homepage. Only people with the password can get in, which is perfect for a short break or vacation. Click the Password Protection heading to expand the settings. Here, create a strong but simple password that you can share with anyone who truly needs access while you're away, such as a collaborator. Then, customize the message shown on your password page. Keep the message friendly and clear. For example, let shoppers know you're temporarily closed, include the date you expect to be back, and reassure them that existing orders are still being handled. If you want to provide a way for customers to reach you, consider referencing your contact form or social channels rather than listing personal details. When you're happy with the password and message, make sure to save your changes. After saving, your storefront will immediately require a password. A quick tip: open your site in a private browser window to confirm that the password page appears with your message. If you see the prompt, you're all set. While password protection is on, your store isn't deleted or canceled. It's simply hidden from shoppers and search engines. You can still access your admin, review and fulfill existing orders, and make updates in the background. When you return from vacation, come back to the same preferences page and switch password protection off to reopen your storefront to the public. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've paused your Shopify storefront in a professional, customer-friendly way, and you're ready to step away with confidence.